Now, this is what the first equation of motion. Now, what is our second equation of motion? Let us go with the second equation of motion. Second
X is equal to ut plus half
F
at
equals
square.
to ut plus half at square. So, this is
Position and time.
such a simple equation which we can derive very easily. So, second equation, if you want to derive this equation, also we can call it as what? Position.
Sir, position time.
Yeah, position time equation we can say.
Sir, area of triangle
No.
plus area of rectangle.
In this equation, we will never discuss about final velocity. Never discuss
About
about
final velocity.
that is how to remember it. So in the given data, whenever they are saying no final velocity and time and initial velocity is 0, then automatically we have to use this equation. Yes or no? Yes, that is how to.
Yes, sir.
So now let us go back to that. Now, if you want to derive the second equation, observe the picture very carefully. So in the picture, we are able to see two kinds of geometrical shapes. What is that? This is the first one, which
The
is
triangle.
triangle. Second one is called as rectangle. This is
Rectangle.
rectangle, and the second one is called as triangle. So now, what is this rectangle? Anybody can say? What is this rectangle? Please respond. So, Jayvarsini, you no need to follow the textbook also. You can derive your own also. So, like this also you can draw. It will give you more clarity and everybody will feel even happy only. So, one is rectangle and next one is what?
Triangle.
Triangle. Maitrayan? Triangle. Is it a triangle? Correct? So, what is the rectangle name? OADC. Next, what is the triangle name? Triangle name. Everybody. ABD. Yes, guys? ABD. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, everybody. That is. So now, if you'll observe very carefully. So, what is the area of this rectangle? Anybody can say? So, area of the rectangle is equals to length into breadth, and the area of the triangle is equals to what? Half into base into height. Okay, guys? Please respond. Now, if I want to derive the second equation, very simple here. So what we have to do? We have to write the distance traveled is equals to, please write it. Distance traveled is equals to area of rectangle. What is that? Area of rectangle. What is this rectangle, Amma? OADC. What is that?
OADC.
Next, area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. ABD. Correct, Amma? That's all.
Yes,
So now,
Sir.
start substituting. So what is the area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle means what? Length. Length means what? OC. OC into breadth means what? You can write DC or OA. Anything. Your choice. Yes or no? So let me write OA. OC into OA. Okay. Yes or no? Please respond. Next.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Half into what is the base? Base is what? AD. In
AD.
height means what? BD.
ED.
Clear?
DB.
Yes,
BD. Yes or no? That is.
sir.
No,
Yes,
that's
sir.
all. Now, from the graph, as we know, OC equals to what? You have to tell me. From the graph,
Time, sir.
from the graph, OC equals to what? Time. Yes or no? Next, OA equals to what? Initial velocity. Next, AD equals to what? AD is equals to OC is equals to time. Yes or no? Next, BD is equals to what? Just now we have been told. I taught you in the first equation. BD equals to what?
80.
BD equals to what? Laksha?
80.
Equals to 80. So that is you have to remember it. So now let us substitute it. That's all. So substitute above values. Substitute above values in, let me imagine this is equation 1. Is it okay, guys? For the second equation, it is equation 1. Okay, values in equation 1. So what we used to get, tell me? So distance traveled by a body is equals to OC is equals to T, OA is equals to U plus half into base AD equals to what? T into BD equals to AT. Any doubt?
AT.
Any doubt?
Yes, no doubt, sir.
So next, so S is equals to U into T, UT plus
T.
half into T into T square A. So AT.
T square.
That's all. Clear? Second
Yes,
equation.
sir.
Everybody? Any doubt means you can ask.
Yes, sir.
Clear, everybody? Tamil Selvan? Laksha? Maunesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the second equation. So second equation also very simple to derive. Now we have to go with the next equation. What is the next equation, Ra? Third equation.
Third equation, position and velocity.
Yeah, third equation. What is the third equation, Maunesh?
Equal to U.
Yeah.
V square minus U
AS
square
is
is
equal
equal
to V
to
square
AS.
minus U square.
Equals to 2as. Also we can write V square is equals to U square plus 2as. All are correct only. Or 2as is equals to V square minus U square. So all the things are similar only. So you can remember this. Is it okay, guys? Yes. Now this equation is called as what we should call it? Position velocity.
And time
What is that?
velocity.
Position
Position
velocity.
and velocity.
Velocity equation. Okay, ma? That is. So now, if you want to derive this position and velocity equation, so now we can observe by joining these two figures, we are observing one similar shape here. What is that shape called as?
Trapezium.
Trapezium.
Called as trapezium. Understanding? So
Trapezium.
one side, another side, third side, and fourth side. So four sides are there. What is the sides? OABC. What is that? OABC.
OABC.
Yes, that is. So OABC. So this is the trapezium. So area of the trapezium, if you know, that's all. We can finish it. Now, if you feel difficulty to understand this figure, you can draw the figure like this also. So it is not at all a mistake. You can draw like this also. So this is a even exactly figure. So you can notice it. So now OA. So sorry, this is yes, okay, understand. So OA BC, correct? So BC. So now this is O and this is A and this is B and this is what? C. Okay, da? Yes. Now, so here this is called as trapezium. What we should call trapezium. So now
Trapezium.
two sides are parallel to each other. What is the two sides parallel to each other?
Sir.
AOBC.
Huh?
AOBC.
AO. Yeah, OA and BC are parallel to each other. Yes or no, Tarun? So OA
Yes, sir.
to BC. So this is parallel to this is, or else here also this is parallel to this is. So I can say OA is parallel to BC. Anything understanding or not? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Parallel to BC. So now you can see. Now what is the height of the trapezium here? What is the height?
OC.
Is parallel.
OC.
So this is called as height of the trapezium. Or else here you can say this is called as what? Height of the trapezium. Understand, Ra? H. Understand, Darun? Darun, are you there? Respond me. So this is called as H, height of the trapezium. So now, if I want to derive the third equation, very simple, Ra. So distance traveled by a body, distance traveled, understanding, by a body, which is equals to what, Ra? Which is equals to area of a trapezium. What is that? Area of
Area of a trapezium.
area of a trapezium, what it is? OABC. OABC. That's all. So now I will say you here, you can note it down. Area of a trapezium formula is equals to, so note it down all of you. Here itself I will say that is sum of the parallel sides, area which is equals to what? Sum of the parallel sides, sum of parallel sides into height of the trapezium divided by 2. Please note it down. What is that? Monish? Laksha?
Sum of parallel side into height divided by 2.
Sides into height divided by 2. Okay, Darun? Elmokil? That is. So now,
Yes, sir.
what is the sum of the parallel sides? Anybody can say? That's all. What is the parallel sides? Parallel sides are what?
Sir, OA plus
OA,
BC.
OA, BC.
Plus BC. Understand? Ra?
BC
Two. What is the height?
into
of the
height
triangle?
divided by 2.
Trapezium
AB.
OC
OC.
divided by,
Divided by 2.
okay, everybody, that is. Now, from the graph, OA is equals to what, guys? Check it, graph. From the graph, OA is equals to what? OA is
U.
equals to initial velocity.
Two, sir.
B is equals to what? Final velocity.
Final velocity.
Velocity.
Final velocity.
OC is time.
Equals to what? Time.
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 That's all. So now, please respond me and tell me. So now, OA is equals to what, guys?
Initial
OA is equals to
velocity.
U
Initial
plus
velocity.
BC is equals to what?
Final
Final
velocity.
Final
velocity.
velocity.
B.
Understanding? Close into OC equals to what? Ra? Time
Time, sir, time.
divided by 2. Okay, da? Yes?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
In third equation, we don't have any time parameter. Have you checked it? Third equation
Sir,
only
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
U square is equals to 2as. That is what you have to remember. Now, let us see, before going to that, we will modify this one. So now, mathematics, 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1, both the result is what? 3 only. Yes or no,
Three.
guys? But
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
addition, we can write reverse also, x plus y or y plus x. But in subtraction, we cannot able to write. Yes or no? That is your
Yes,
Yes, sir.
so that is why. So what we have to do? This u plus v can I write as a what?
V plus U.
by 2. Any doubt in this? Into.
No, sir.
No
Okay.
doubt, sir.
Now
No,
let me
sir.
imagine this is the equation number 1. Equation number what? Ra? 1.
One.
Okay, guys.
1.
Now let us see from acceleration. So as we know, what is the acceleration formula? Acceleration is equals to final velocity minus
V minus U by T.
by time period.
Change in velocity divided by time taken.
Now I want time period. Now time is in division here. Will come this side. What will happen?
Multiplication.
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 Equals to V minus U. Now I want T alone. So T equals to what will come, guys? T is equal to
V minus U by A.
A.
Understand, Ra? This is T is equals to. So now let this T is equals to equation number 2. What is this, Ra? Equation number?
Equation number 2.
Equation number 2. Understand, Ra? Everybody?
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
This is
Yes, sir.
equation number 2. So now equation number 2 means what we should say? Equation
Position
number
and time.
now we have to substitute equation 2 in
Equation number 1.
Equation 1.
substitute equation 2 in equation 1. So what we to get? So S is equals to V plus U by 2 into T. So T is equals to what? Ra? V plus U by 2 into T
V
equals
minus
to
U
what?
by 2.
V
V
minus
minus U by A.
A.
V minus U by A. Understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Darun? Darun, respond me, Darun. Are you understand? At least say yes or no. Okay, now this is multiplication only. So directly multiplication means what? We can multiply what? Numerators and denominators. Yes or no? Directly multiply
Yes, sir.
numerators
sir.
as well as
A square
denominator.
minus U square is
This
by
will become
2A.
like a V plus U into V minus U divided by 2 into A. How much, Amma? Jayavarshini?
2A.
2A. Correct? Ah? So now this is similar to, you can see, this is similar to like a plus
A
B,
plus B bracket A minus B.
A
A
minus.
minus
So now from
A minus B the
algebra,
whole square.
from algebra, A plus B into A minus B, which is equals to what? A square
A
minus,
square minus B square.
which is equals to S. So now S is equals to, instead of A plus B, can I write it this
Square
one?
minus U
So,
square, sir.
Can I write it what? V square minus U square divided by 2A.
2A.
Okay, 2A. So now 2A is in division. Will come this side. What will become?
Multiplication.
Multiply.
2A is equals
2A
to.
is equal to
V square.
B square minus U square.
So that is what our third equation. Yes or no, Darun, Laksha?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is, so please all of you, those who don't know, you can solve. Those who already solved, you can verify once. That's all. Those who already knows, you can verify. Those who don't know, you please kindly solve. Okay, da?
Sir,
Hmm. Finished, everybody? Solve. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Second equation, third equation, and all. Anybody can ask me. Monish, Tamil Selvan, Laksha, Jayavarshini.
நோட்ல பேரும் இல்லம்மா அதுக்கு நாம வச்சிருக்கேன் சமு போடுறது வச்சிருக்கேன்.
Okay. Now, this is what it is, three equations of motion. Now, in this chapter, the last concept which is present, what is that concept called as, guys? Uniform circular motion. What is that?
Uniform circular motion.
Circular motion.
Listen very carefully. So this is the one of the most important question. Uniform circular motion.
Circular motion.
The uniform circular motion is the most important one. So now, when any kind of body is traveling in a circular path, then we can say it is called as uniform circular motion.
Uniform circular motion.
In this uniform circular motion, speed of a body is constant. Speed is constant, but someone is not constant. What is that not constant?
velocity.
Velocity.
Always varies. Velocity is varies always, because each and every point, what is direction,
Direction changing.
so that the velocity is keep on varies, but speed of a body is constant. Okay, Raj?
Constant.
Everybody? Now, listen. So always, as we know, when the body is moving in a circular motion, so circle is having what? Diameter. What was the
Diameter.
diameter? All of you please remember. So diameter. So now, whenever they will ask you to find, listen carefully everything I will say. So diameter is equals to, remember, diameter is equals to double of radius. What is that? Double of radius.
Double of radius.
2R.
Yes. So this is from the center to the line, that is called as radius. Now, if you take double R any direction from the center, then that is called as R plus R, which is equals to diameter. What is that, Ra? R plus R is
Diameter.
diameter. So diameter D is equals to, I can write 2R. So from R is equals to what, guys? Diameter divided by
2.
Okay, Ra? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
That is how to remember. Now, whenever they have given circular motion and they are asking speed, distance or speed, listen guys. Circular motion when they have given radius. When given what? Ra? Given radius. When given radius, and at that situation, if they are asking distance, what is that? Ra? Distance.
Distance.
Distance is equals to 2 pi r. What is that?
2 by R.
2 pi R.
The speed is equals to, what is the speed is equals to? Speed is equals to 2 pi
2
r
pi R by T.
Divided by time. Divided by time.
time. Okay, da? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, next, velocity. If the body will stop at half round, means 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, means A and B. This is B. Now, if the body will stop at A point again, then velocity is 0. If the body will stop at B point, then velocity is equals to what? 2R. Because
Diameter.
R.
if you not say diameter, it is given to R, so it is 2R. Yes or no, Ra? That is. So,
Yes, sir.
that is 2 points you can write. When body completes round, when body reaches or back to A point, then Velocity what ra? Velocity is equals to 0 meter per
Zero.
second. Okay. Now, if body will stop, if body stops at, if body stops at point B, at B, then velocity is equals to what ra? Velocity is equals to 2r,
Two
which is
or
2R.
diameter. Okay, ra? Understand, ra?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Diameter. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
if given, now suppose, if when given diameter, when given diameter, then distance traveled by a body, distance S is equals to distance S is equals to pi d. What is that? Pi d. Understand?
ID.
So small d, not take capital D only. Pi d. Okay, ra? So pi d. Now, what is the speed of the body? Speed of the body is equals to pi d by time. What is that?
Pi d by time.
Speed of the time is
ID by time.
yeah, pi d by time. That is you have to remember. So in this case, again same thing. So in this case, they have given what? A body is starting from A and it reaches to B. So if it will stop at A, this is the initial point and this is the final point. If it will stop at A, what is the velocity ra? If body will stop at A, body stops at A, then velocity is what ra? Velocity is equals to 0 meter per second.
0.
0 meter per second. If body, Darun, understand Darun? If body, Devarsini, if body stops
Yes, sir.
at B, then what is the velocity? Velocity is
2R.
equals to B. Velocity is equals to what?
R2R.
Diameter.
Or 2R.
So okay. When they have given diameter, again 2R is not required. So diameter. Okay, ra?
Yes, sir.
Diameter. That is. So next, this is the one thing you have to remember. Any doubt in this? Please respond. All of you note it down. Next, if your body is traveling in a
No doubt, sir.
path like understanding rectangle or square, so already I have taught you in the first revision class. So do you remember? A, B, C, D. Okay, ra? So now this is also A, B, C, D. So now if the body is traveling in this kind of path, then if body will stop at B, if body stops at B point, means starting from A, stops at B, then what will come ra? Then displacement is equals to what, guys?
AB.
Displacement is equals to AB. Okay. Next, if stops at
Yes,
B,
sir.
if stops at C, then what is the formula? If stops at C,
AB plus B. AC.
Sir, AB divided by
AC.
BC.
stop at
AC.
AC, then we can say Pythagoras theorem we have to apply. Be very careful. C point, then it will make AC square is equals to AB square plus
AB square plus BC
BC
square.
square.
if stops at stops at D point, then displacement is equals to what? AD. Understand, Nama?
AD.
That is.
Sir.
If he stops at A point only, A only, then displacement is equals to what? 0 meter.
Zero.
sir.
Zero.
Is it okay, guys? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
That is same
Sir.
thing here also. If we will stop at A first point, then what is the displacement? AB is the displacement. And if we will stop at the point C, then what is the displacement? AC
AC.
square is equals to
AB square plus BC square.
plus B.
Square plus BC square.
That is very good. Next, if we'll stop at point D, then third point, then what is the displacement? AD is the displacement. When he will stop at point 1, then means point 4, then displacement is equals to what? 0 meter.
0 meter per.
Okay, please respond.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay,
Sir.
these things you have to find it. Okay, guys. Now,
Yes, sir.
in this situation, what we have to means we have to find the total number of rounds. What we have to do to calculate the total distance? Okay, we want to find the total number of rounds. So, total number of rounds. Total number of rounds. Please remember, rounds is equals to total distance traveled. What is that? Total distance traveled divided by perimeter of the given shape. Okay, guys? Perimeter of the
Sir.
shape. Okay, Jayvarshini? So that is what it is.
Sir.
Total number of rounds. So based upon that, why we should find the total number of rounds? Monish will say. If I want to find the where the body should stop, means the final position of the body, if you want to know, then you must find the total number of rounds. Yes or no, guys? Please respond. Yes,
Yes, sir.
if the
Yes,
body
sir.
stops
Yes,
at
sir.
understand me. If I want to know either half round or full round, either it stopped at point C or point A. If you want to know, then what we should know? We must know the total number of rounds. So that is why total
sir.
number of rounds. How to find total distance traveled by a body divided by perimeter of the shape. Understand, everybody? Please respond.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Sir.
Those who don't know these things, you please note it down. And Jayvarshini, this is more useful for solving the theoretical exams also. Much easier you can solve. Hopefully you can solve even much more easier. So this is all about it. Anything, any doubt, you can ask me. So this first chapter revision is over. Then I will try to find the different numericals, we'll solve it, or else we'll go with the second chapter revision. Later we will go with the chemistry revision also. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Anybody? First chapter?
No doubt, sir.
All of you?
Proud, sir.
Darun, no response at all. Monish, Tamil Selvan
No
is
doubt, sir.
called. Clear? Darun, you have to
Sir.
complete it everything. I want to check your classworks also. Please make it and make it everything well. Okay, Darun? At least say yes